Hi everyone, it is Koto. I got a package from Arteza filled with quality art supplies. Arteza contacted with me, so I collaborate with them and test some of their products on dolls. This time I got watercolor pencils, watercolor paint, thin brushes and temporary tattoos. First I am opening the watercolor pencil set. The packaging is very nice and I found 72 shades, which is mind-blowing. I have never owned a big set like this before. The colors seem very vibrant and I am very curious how can I use these on dolls, which I will test in a future video. Now I am opening the watercolor paint. It comes in a well-packaged, sealed metallic case. In this set we found 36 shades. I used similar watercolor paint when I was little. Since then I am using paint which is in a little tube. No, I don't have to pay attention for the cups or putting them back. The watercolor set includes a brush pen too, which I can't use on dolls, maybe just for freckles, but I will keep this for the blind journals. I usually use brushes for freckles and eyebrows, so I am very curious about how these will work. I am planning some dolls with tattoos in the future, so I thought a temporary tattoo set would be nice to test on dolls. I got this set of temporary tattoos from Arteza. There are bigger and smaller art pieces, so I can use these on dolls with different size. I am planning to test them on Monster High, Blight and BGD dolls. Use the UNNiEDOLLS1 coupon code to buy any products from Arteza's websites for 10% off. Please stay tuned because I will test these products soon on dolls. Thank you for watching, see you next time, bye!